Today I will show you new stapler pin idea. You can try it. Now open the stapler pin box. Now all stapler pin box open. Take a stapler pin and one stapler pin top place. Now two stapler pin set and set the top place. Now two stapler pin set the set one stapler pin top place. Now stapler pin set to set and place top one stapler pin. Now step by step, place by place, set stapler pin. Two together will be a set stapler pin. Now two stapler pin set and set top one stapler pin top place. Then top place tie to one stapler pin set top place. Then top place one stapler pin set tie. Now oh no tie. No tie top place one stapler pin, then two set, then oh no try again, two set stapler pin and top place one set. Now two stapler pin set and top place one stapler pin. No okay, try again. Yes, wow, success. Now top place one stapler pin set Then top place set one stapler pin. Now see to video. Beautiful stapler pin craft new idea generation. Wow, 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 wow. Wow.